With Black Friday and the holidays just around the corner, it's time to gear up and make the most out of your marketing efforts to prepare for the holiday sales. In this whirlwind of discounts and all the marketing campaigns, TikTok emerges as a dynamic marketing platform that can significantly elevate your holiday campaigns and sales. TikTok's massive user base and unparalleled engagement rates make it an ideal place to amplify your brand's impact during this holiday season. Why is TikTok important for Black Friday sales? Well, among teenagers and young adults, TikTok's popularity is largely due to its diversity and relevance. 42% of TikTok users use the app to find new things, and 30% keep up with the latest trends and products. As a result, TikTok serves as a fantastic marketing tool for both large and small companies looking to launch new products and services or promote special deals during this holiday season. So let's get to it. As you gear up for the holiday sales, precision is key. Tailoring your product selection to resonate with your specific target audience can significantly elevate your campaign success. Niche products designed for a particular demographic of interest groups can capture attention more effectively. Consider the preferences, needs, and interests of your target audience. Align your Black Friday offerings with these insights to curate a selection of products that truly appeal to them. Understanding your audience and presenting them with trending products can lead to high engagement conversions and successful marketing spree on TikTok. Optimizing your content for search is the key to maximizing your marketing campaigns for the holidays. Since TikTok Shop was introduced in Singapore or in the US market recently, the platform has become a significant shopping hub. As the holiday season approaches, the anticipation for Black Friday, it is one of the biggest shopping events. In this whirlwind of sales and discount, TikTok emerges as a dynamic marketing campaign that can significantly elevate your Black Friday campaigns. Creating UGC content such as Get Ready With Me or Unboxing is much more authentic and more relatable to your audience. So TikTok is a content playground for users, and you can even recommend your customers to review these products. There are some popular types of content that you can apply to your videos in the Black Friday season, like Get Ready With Me, shopping hauls, and even unboxing. The Shopify integration as well as the TikTok Shop functionality allow audiences and users to access your deal while still on TikTok. Business owners can design a small storefront where users can make purchases. Or make it seamless, let's use TikTok Shop. You can even sync your products into the catalog and utilize TikTok shopping ad bundles to promote your product range to diverse potential customers effortlessly. Here's another opportunity to boost your sales. You can also give your audience with discounts and coupons. This can boost the perceived value by establishing exclusivity for your audience. For example, you can give early access to deals as a reward for completing challenges or engage with you during TikTok Live. So you can include discount codes in your videos and captions. For example, hashtag challenges, can raise enthusiasm for Friday's special offers. If you don't know by now, TikTok has a purchasing function that has been smoothly linked with Shopify, allowing users to purchase items featured in the videos that they watch. Business owners can create TikTok Shop so that they can showcase their products to their audience and customers. This feature will facilitate the process of turning interest into conversion. E-commerce sellers are also aware that the fewer barriers buyers face before making a purchase, the more likely it is to turn into sales. Even if your Black Friday offers a great deal, there's a potential that many customers will hesitate to skip it because they're not ready to leave TikTok. And there you have it, folks. Black Friday and the holiday seasons are just around the corner. Make sure you make use of these opportunities to maximize your marketing efforts. TikTok is your ultimate ally to connect with your audience and to convert these audiences into customers. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to give us a thumbs up and share it with your friends and family. Subscribe to our channel for more marketing tips and guides and reviews. May the Black Friday deals be in your favor. Until then, I'll see you again.